Hi, good evening. This is Scott. That's Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Down day on the SPY. You can see how we made a lower low and had a bearish engulfing candlestick coming on just higher than average volume. So kind of a nothing day for the most part, but I like using days like today to search for relative strength in the market. And we do have that in AutoZone. That's ticker AZO. AutoZone up on a down day in the market. Pretty interesting relative strength. So this is definitely a chart that I want to keep track of. They do have earnings coming up near the end of the month, so FYI on that. But you can draw some pretty clear resistance levels on this chart right there, right around that 2,500 level, and some pretty clear support zones right around 2370. And so want to see what happens with this stock. Ideally, we get a breakthrough of 2,500 coming on higher than average volume. Now, I will say that is a bit extended above the 50-day and the 8-day exponential period moving average. I think a better entry is probably closer to the moving averages because as the market pulls back or consolidates, typically it's not great to buy things that are extended. So this is definitely one that I want to keep track of, but maybe not chase unless it's for a short-term trade if we do get a break above that $2,500 level. So just one of many stocks we have on a watch list right now over at StockMarketMentor.com. We have a very active trading room, and I'd love for you to check it out. So take a trial, click the link, and I hopefully will see you on the other side.